Hello homeowners, are you dreaming of expanding your living space and adding a touch of elegance to your home? Welcome to Orangery Concepts, your trusted partner in building bespoke orangery extensions that transform your home into a luxurious haven. Are you considering extending your living space but unsure where to start? You may have heard of orangeries and conservatories, but what's the difference? Let's break it down to help you make an informed decision. First up, what is an orangery? An orangery is a sophisticated extension that blends traditional brickwork with large glass panels and a roof lantern, creating a harmonious blend of classic and modern design. It's designed to provide a luxurious, light-filled space that feels like a seamless part of your home, perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet afternoon. Now, what about a conservatory? A conservatory is a structure predominantly made of glass, including the roof, offering a panoramic view of your garden. It offers a bright, airy environment and is perfect for enjoying your garden views, bringing the outdoors inside. So, what are the key differences between orangeries and conservatories? Let's break it down in more detail. Structure. Orangeries combine solid walls with large windows and a partial glass roof, while conservatories are almost entirely glass, creating different aesthetic and functional experiences. Insulation. Orangeries provide better insulation due to their brickwork, making them more suitable for year-round use, keeping you warm in winter and cool in summer. Design integration. Orangeries often feel like a natural extension of your home, blending seamlessly with the existing architecture, while conservatories stand out as separate spaces, offering a distinct look. Next, let's weigh the pros and cons of each option. Orangeries. Pros: superior insulation, luxurious feel, and versatile design that can be tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Cons: higher cost and longer build time due to the complexity of the construction. Conservatories. Pros: more affordable, quicker to install, maximizes natural light, and offers a beautiful view of your garden. Cons: prone to temperature extremes in winter and summer, which can make the space less comfortable during those seasons. So why should you choose Orangery Concepts for your home extension project? At Orangery Concepts, we bring years of experience in crafting beautiful, functional orangery extensions that enhance your living space and add value to your home. We guide you every step of the way, from initial design consultation to final completion, ensuring the perfect addition to your home that meets all your needs and exceeds your expectations. So, are you ready to elevate your living space and create a stunning new area for your family to enjoy? Contact us today for a free consultation and let's start planning your dream extension. Visit orangeryconcepts.co.uk or call 07865770309 to get started. Let's create the perfect extension for your home, tailored to your unique style and needs. Orangery Concepts. Building dreams, creating spaces that inspire and delight.